Now, moving forward, tapos na tayo sa improvement. Ang next level, ready ka nang mag-improve kasi may MVP ka na. Okay, may mastery, knowledge and skills, vitality, kalusugan, and financial protection. Ready ka na ngayon palakihin pa. Okay, ang kaperahan mo. Next is independence. Kaya dito makukuha mo lahat, mga kaibigan, yan sa ating enrollment package. So may kita nyo dito, may enrollment packages tayo from associate, builder, consultant, director, and executive. Kumpleto po ang mga MVP. So meron tayong associate worth 8,500. We have a builder improvement package worth 17,500, consultant worth 45,500, director worth 110,500, and executive worth 199,800. Now, with all of this enrollment package, improvement packages, may tatlong type po yan. May MVP, MV, and MP. Yung MVP po, ito yung combination ng mastery, vitality, and protection. Pero meron tayong mga enrollees na ang gusto nila, mastery and vitality lang muna. Okay? Yung iba naman, ang gusto nila, nakafocus sila sa mastery and protection or insurance or financial protection. So, pwede po yan. Makakapili kayo kung gusto nyo is combination ng MVP or gusto nyo mastery and vitality muna or gusto nyo mastery and protection. Pero kung mapansin nyo, lahat po ng ating mga enrollment package talagang may mastery. Kasi you are enrolling to learn and klaro kung ano yung entrepreneurial journey mo to become a full-blown business owner dito sa Ascendra International. May liwanag. Okay po ba yun? Ayan. So yan yung mga packages. Now that you know the packages, moving forward, eto na. Tignan natin, sabi ni classmate, ha? Ano ba daw yung independence? Okay? So dito, dahil may MVP ka na, ready ka na maging financially independent. And let me teach you, let us teach each other. Pag-aralan natin together. Paano po ba maging financially independent? Ayan, ipinapaalala po ni classmate sa atin. Para maging financially independent ka, kailangan daw po pala, meron kang tatlong accounts. Basic of personal finance. Maraming Pilipino, kaya nahihirap i-manage ang cash flow nila, nahihirap i-manage ang kaperahan nila kasi sa lahat ng kinikita nila, pag pumasok yung income nila per month, walang tamang allocation. Pakitype nga dyan, allocation. Walang tamang pinupuntahan. Walang tamang direksyon ang kaperahan. So, ang tinuturo ni classmate sa atin dito, importante na pag may pumasok na pera sa'yo buwan-buwan, dapat alam mo kung saan pumupunta yung pera. Kaya we are introducing in Ascendra International yung dashboard na